Alright, so I'm going to do a cold start on my old Honda four-wheeler here. It's a 1987 125. Been using it to haul this wood up from our back lot. It's been doing pretty good. It's a little tricky to start. I haven't had it that long, but I'm going to show you how I start mine. The engine's pretty cold right now. It's about 37 out here. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my gas on. So that's on. So now we're going to go up here and see what we need to do. So we need to make sure it's in run. And then I want to pull this choke out. So here's the choke. Pull that out. We're going to try it at full choke. It's been doing pretty good at half choke. But since it's pretty cold out here today, we'll leave it at that. We're going to make sure it's in neutral. So you just click all the way down. Now we're going to put the key in here. So put your key in, turn. Just one click to the right, and that light should come on. And just make sure you're in the lowest gear. You should be good. All right, we're gonna give it a few pumps of the throttle here, and now we'll see if it'll start. All right, got a little bit of turn over there. Let's turn this choke down a little bit, halfway. Now let's see what we can get here. There it goes. Alright, so we're going to keep our hand on the choke. Once it feels like it's going to cut off, we're just going to push this choke in. So we want to get it off choke as soon as we can. So once we hear that engine just kind of start to get warmed up, sound like it's going to kind of cut off, just listen. It starts to kind of skip a little bit. And we'll just start pushing that choke in. Here it kind of sounds like it's cut out. I'll start playing with that choke. Let's let it run here. Alright. It'll start to get a little faster. It'll sound like it's going to cut off, and that's when we want to turn that choke off. Push it in, you can kind of test it. Alright, choke's all the way off now. The choke is all the way off. Give it a few minutes, let it warm up. That's it. Just let it warm up.